Is your mixer kettle refusing to heat or stuck in a low water lockout? The failure of a solid-state control unit is often caused by the harsh conditions of high-volume commercial kitchens. Welcome to PartsFe. Electrical issues like power surges or arcing from loose spade connectors can further damage the sensitive circuitry. Sometimes what seems like a faulty board is actually mineral scale buildup on the water level probe, preventing a clear signal and forcing the system into protective lockout mode. Replacing the control unit is a precise job that restores critical heating and safety functions, but safety comes first. Always perform a full lockout tagout procedure and disconnect power before opening the console, as high voltage is present. Start by removing the stainless steel console cover to access the electronics, and document the existing wiring configuration since the board controls both heater contactors and mixer motor safety interlocks, making correct terminal placement essential. Carefully remove the spade connectors by pulling from the insulated housing, inspect terminals for heat damage or oxidation, and replace any compromised connectors to ensure a solid electrical connection. Mount the new control unit onto the bracket, hand tighten the screws to avoid cracking the housing, and reconnect all wires, paying special attention to the low-voltage connections for the water level probe and temperature potentiometer to ensure accurate sensor readings. After verifying all wiring against the factory diagram, reinstall the console cover, restore power, fill the kettle jacket to the proper level, and test the unit by confirming the add water light stays off and the heat contactors engage smoothly, bringing your mixer kettle back to safe and efficient operation. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts, visit PartsFe in the USA, UK, and Canada. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips from PartsFe. Thanks for watching.